Hello everyone, I welcome you all on Tech Insight. So here you're gonna find information regarding IT jobs, IT news, programming languages, interview questions and much more. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back on the channel. So today's the very first job is from Accenture. It is organized through Elitmus. They are hiring for associate software engineer and the package is also very good. That is 4.5 lakh per annum and it is for the freshers drive, that is for 2019 and 2020 pass out. Location varies from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Gurugram, etc. So for the requirement not to apply for this job is BE Tech 2019-20 pass out, 65% or 6.5 CGPA. There is no backlog. 0 to 1 year of experience is also required. That means freshers plus experienced person also can apply. Java, ASP.NET, SAP, ABAP, SDFC. If you have knowledge on this, you can definitely apply for the job. And Accenture is also a very good company. Moving on to the other job, it is from Cisco Careers. They are hiring for Human Resource Leadership Program, that is for intern India UHR. Here is the apply button. Moving on towards the job detail, you should be enrolled in MBA or master's degree in program with a concentration in HR, excellent academics credential with proven comprehensive skills, and bachelor's and master's program during the master's program. So year of pass out is 2020 only. That is a intern job for HR and specifically for the MBA profile. Now the next job is from Finestra. It is for data quality specialist, that is in asset management, and the location is Pune. You can either apply by this website or from LinkedIn itself. So here is the job requirement that includes degree in computer science, information systems management and related discipline, proficiency with data processing, data warehouse, etc. SQL, any data manipulation, ServiceNow experience is desirable, knowledge of ITIL, asset management, etc. Proficiency in Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook is preferred. So if a skill matches the requirement, definitely go and apply for this job. All these links will be in the description. Share this video with maximum of your friends so that everyone will be getting benefited. Watch the full video in order to get the maximum benefit. Now the next job is from Dents2. They are hiring for trainee software engineer. Package is 3.5 lakh per annum. Other benefits include gratuity, medical insurance, accidental insurance, and above CTC, and the location is Pune. So here is their overview. They are looking for BE, MCA, BTech to join as a trainee software engineer. Technical skill includes Python, Java, or C++, or .NET, PHP, or testing automation. Eligibility includes these things which I have already read in computer science or engineering with above 60% of marks, throughout 60% in academics in 10, 12 diploma and post graduation. Selection process includes technical MCQs, code challenge, technical interview, HR interview. Candidate will be given details of a letter. Prerequisite for the processes, candidate should have laptop, desktop, webcam enabled with good internet connectivity, and here is the apply button. Definitely go and apply for this job if your skill matches the requirement. Again, a very good opportunity. Next job is from Unisys India. They are hiring for associate application development engineer, associate application test engineer. That is a developer as well as testing job. So audience is 2020 pass out. That means completely for the freshers. BE Tech in CSIT with aggregate 65% in academics throughout. So 18 months of service agreement bond you have to fill. In case of non-compliance, 1 lakh to be deposited by the candidate. So associate should have OOPS concept, good knowledge of OOPS concept, Java, C Sharp, good verbal and communication skills. For the testing side, you should know the software testing lifecycle, able to communicate clearly. Again, knowledge of C Sharp and Java. So the annual compensation is 4,25,000 per month. Working shift is rotational, that is journal or UK timing. Selection process includes return test and managerial round, and you have to apply for this job by logging into this MCAT and by clicking on this button. All these links will be in the description. Next job for today is from HP Careers. They are hiring for Java developer. Again, a very good position in a very good company. These are the requirements. Typically 0 to 2 years of experience, bachelor's or master degree in computer science, information technology or equivalent. So if you are having these skills and if you are a fresher also and have a good knowledge, definitely go and apply for this job. Again, it's a product based company. Now the next job is from Squad Stack. They are hiring for product engineer for the location Delhi, Bengaluru and Hyderabad, and here is the apply button. Going on towards the job details, you can see that 6 months plus of relevant experience building technology powered product. Education is no bar for them, so they haven't mentioned any criteria for that. Compensation is 10 to 15 lakh per annum. Again, a very good package. Location is remote first till 2021 till June. We'll work out of Noida offices once it is safer to work in the office. So the joining date is tomorrow, means that once you're gonna hire, tomorrow is your joining date. So the skills they are demanding is Stack, Python, Django, PostGRE, Redis, Rabbit, Elasticsearch, etc. These are their skills. and I will suggest you definitely go and apply for this job. Again, a very good opportunity from Squad Stack. Now the second last job is from ZS, again a very good company, hiring for decision analytics associate for the Pune location. So once you want to see what is their requirement, which includes bachelor's degree in any engineering discipline, MS operations management or any other relevant degree, and you should have knowledge of MS Excel, MS Access, SAS, ZS, property software, and etc. Some of their other requirements are high motivation, good work, client service orientation, ability to work globally, excellent organizational and management skills. So if you want to go toward this side of IT, you can definitely go and apply for this job. It is a management job. I can see by reading out this information here, and here is the apply button. So the last job for today guys is from Nokia, again a very good company, and it is a product based company. They are hiring for software engineer trainee for the location Kuala Lumpur, that is for Malaysia. Yeah, you can, yeah, once you're selected you're gonna post it in the Malaysia. So moving on towards the job details, which includes bachelor's in computer science or related field with minimum 3.0 CGPA, and following skill set will be an added advantage, which includes Oracle, MySQL Server will be an added advantage, knowledge of Unix, Java programming language, good foundation and understanding of OOPS concept and programming languages. So if your skill matches the requirement, definitely go and apply for this job. Again, it is for the freshers. So guys, if you're enjoying these kind of videos, give it a thumbs up. It really motivates me, and share this video with maximum of your friends so that everyone will be getting benefited. I thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.